G'day guys, welcome back to Moulds Vlogs. Going to be one on the FZ1 today where I'm going to be getting rid of these big fugly ass grasshopper antenna mirrors and replacing them with these nice little bar end mirrors. So they'll go sort of about there, get rid of those big fugly things and it'll just look heaps better. So I'm going to be doing it in such a way where I don't have to remove the factory bar end weights, because you can use this style where you just take it out. That screws in, flares out, holds the mirror in place, but without the weights there, it'll shake around like that and you'll get some vibration through the bars as well. So don't want that. So yeah, gonna get these modified by Jason from Tooltech Performance Engineering down in Victoria. You might have seen him on TikTok. He's a bit of a whiz in the machine shop and just a good bloke. He's actually agreed to do a little collab with me, which is just legendary, because yeah, just didn't expect it, but very cool and very nice of him. So going to be getting these off and send them down to him so he can machine a little sort of shelf channel in the weights there, and then I'll just be able to clamp these straight over, tighten them up, put them back in, and we'll have bar end weights. So yeah, we'll get those off and send them down to Jace with the GoPro. He's going to take us through the process, and yeah, so let's do that, get them off, send them down, and he'll take it from there.
One eternity later.
Okay. So how do I start and stop record with this? On the top, yeah, it's got the power button. I've just turned it on. Yep. Oh, so it's actually recording now. Oh yeah, it is, it's counting.
Eventually.
Well, literally 3 months later, after sending them away to old mate Jason from Tooltech, that's all the footage I've got back. And here are my bar end mirrors, exactly the way that I sent them down. So it's pretty much fucked me around for the last 3 months, wasted my time, had the GoPro the whole time. Pretty piss poor effort in my opinion on his behalf, considering he agreed to do it. And I said that, like, from the start, that I'd pay him and just to treat me like a customer. What do? He's pretty much just fucking wasted my time, really. Not really, yeah, I don't have any much to say about him other than you're a bit of a fucking cockhead, if you ask me, a bit of a wanker. Maybe if I had more TikTok followers, you might have fucking put me on higher priority, but I guess because I've only got fucking however many subscribers I've got on YouTube and 6,000 subs on TikTok, no fucking priority. So yeah, what I'm gonna have to do is fucking probably just take them down to my local machine shop out here in Toowoomba, and they'll probably do it while I wait around. Like, it's not a big job. He could have fucking taken probably half an hour, 45 minutes out of his day and just smashed it out and it would have been done. Like, I don't know, I was pretty patient with him. Sent him a message in, like, I sent them down on the 6th of January is when they left here. Then I think I sent him a message. We'll have a look through the fucking messages here. I sent him a text message. Who is it? Sent him a text message just saying, making sure they arrived. That was on the 22nd of January, and he said, yeah, they're all here. I'll be back at work on the 1st of Feb. So I was like, yeah, fair enough. He's on Christmas holidays, won't bother him. Then on the 16th of Feb, so nearly a month later, messaged him and said, hey legend, just wondering about an ETA on the bar ends. And he said, I'll be on it next week, with a thumbs up. I said, sweet as, thanks mate. Fucking left it another few weeks, not pestering him, not fucking annoying him. 4th of March, hey Jace, any progress with the bar ends? No reply. Fucking messaged him later again that day, just with a question mark. No reply, so I called him. He was really apologetic. Oh, fuck, sorry, mate, I haven't forgot about you. Fucking bloody blah. I'll get onto him as soon as I can, all this fucking shit. Left it again. 30th of March, any rough idea when you get a chance, man? Would really like to have them back for Easter weekend, as the 17th of April is the date my old man passed away, and it's a bit of a tradition of mine to get out for a decent ride, which it is. I try and do that every year if I can, either on the road bike or the dirt bike. And he replied saying ASAP, flat out right this second. So that's when I just fucking really had enough and said, if it's too much hassle, just send them back. If I knew it was going to be 3 months, I would have just taken them to my local machine shop. Honestly, I think it's pretty slack that it's taken this long even after contacting me a few times, considering I said from the get-go to treat me like a normal customer and that I would pay for the time like a customer would. So if it's going to be much longer, I'd rather you just send them back and I'll get them done elsewhere. Cheers. And then I just got the fucking notorious thumbs up. So yeah, that's what's happened, and that's why it's fucking taken this long. But I've got them here. I'm gonna go down to a few of the machine shops in Toowoomba and hopefully get it done and get them sorted out. So that's what's happened. Sweet. Rightio, well I'm down at Sandtech Machining, just in Toowoomba. Gonna take the bar ends in and hopefully they can get them sorted out for me. See how we go. I'm fairly confident that it's not gonna take them 3 months. Righto, so they said come back in an hour and they'll be right to go. So I'm gonna duck home and have something to eat. I'll come back in an hour, you should be right to go. So literally an hour and 15 bucks later, they're all done, machined exactly how I wanted them to be, and I can now go home, fit the mirrors up, whack them on the bike, and we'll be fucking laughing with bar end mirrors. So there you go. All it took was an hour. So yeah, don't really know how fucking old mate had them for 3 months and couldn't get a chance to touch them. So anyway, let's go get them on the bike. Righto, so I've wheeled her out into the sun so we can see some stuff. There's another thing. It's been that long that I've got a Hilux now, but that can be another episode. I bought it a while ago and I've sort of done a few things to it, but nothing fun, just fixing shit. So yeah, old no guts. Just a non-turbo old 5LE slow lux, bit of a lift, snorkel, fridge in the back, and all that standard stuff. So hopefully get some butterchook foot and some camping stuff and fun stuff in that. So anyway, back to the task at hand. So we've got my bar ends finally machined. So you can just see they just machined a step in there. So now these can go over that, tighten down, put a mirror on it, happy days. So I'm not sure what sort of setup I'm going to go. Like, I don't know if I'm going to go have them sticking out or going under or sort of sticking up and then going inwards. That's something I'm just sort of going to play around with once I've got them on, but I'll mock them up now and chuck them on and we'll see how they look. Also got some blanking bolts here, just so when I take the mirrors off, I don't have blank threads, I can bung them up. So let's do it, let's get something happening. So I've sort of just got them loosely mocked up there at the moment. You can see sitting out like that. Whip these off. Oh, this one's right hand thread, I think. Left hand thread. Helps when you go the right way. Blanks and I can chuck them in there, and then I'll fit around with these some more. They look pretty cool like that. Woo! These blanking bolts are very cheap Chinese eBay crap, so I have no idea what actually size the hex is. Little rag. They've got to be tight. Tight. Oh, gone the wrong way. Left hand thread, you dodo. Here we go. Looks so much sicker. Done it. Done it. Well, there we go. Obviously there's going to be a lot of mucking around and adjusting and moving them around and unbolting them and bolting them back on to get them to where they actually work as mirrors, and I can see behind me, but aesthetically that looks 300 times better, and it only took 3 months. Well, it didn't take 3 months for you, it took 3 months for me. You've just been able to watch the vlog and it's just happened in however long this vlog is, but I've had to wait months for that. It's worth it. Looks heaps better. But it could have taken an hour. I could have done it in a day if I just took it somewhere else in the first place. But anyway, won't go off on that tangent. I've already done enough of that. So that'll do it for this vlog. Stay tuned to Mold's vlogs. I do have a new camera coming. It's been on the backlog for a while and back order and stuff like that, but I'm getting a new camera soon, so hopefully that'll motivate me to keep vlogging. And now I've got this. Hopefully do some fun stuff. Go camping and full driving and break shit. So hopefully stuff comes and keeps coming and I keep vlogging and you enjoy it and it's cool and groovy and awesome and wicked. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, keep that opinion to yourself. If you want to say something or ask anything, do it in the comments. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel, Mold's Vlogs. Thanks guys, see you later. Bye.